10 p.m. for northern Maryland and the adjacent coastal waters.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Cumberland County in South Central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County in South Central Pennsylvania, Perry County in South Central Pennsylvania, Northwestern Lebanon County in South Central Pennsylvania, Southeastern Snyder County in Central Pennsylvania, Southwestern Schuylkill County in Central Pennsylvania, Southwestern Northumberland County in Central Pennsylvania, Northeastern Juniata County in Central Pennsylvania until 10 p.m. At 8:53 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing around 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Blowserville and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Carlisle, Ringlestown, Inola, Sellens Grove, Plainfield, Schlesser, Millersburg, Mountiesville, Lycans, Newport, Buchanan, Elizabethville, Williamstown, Tower City, New Bloomfield, Port Trevorton, New Kingstown, Mount Pleasant, Milton. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 218 to 228, Interstate 81 between mile markers 42 and 46, between mile markers 49 and 59, between mile markers 61 and 65, and from mile markers 93 to 98. A tornado watch remains in effect for the area. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. The thunderstorm wind gusts are expected to produce damage. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building. Prepare for large hail. Stay safe indoors. Consider moving automobiles into a garage. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lebanon, and Schuylkill. In Pennsylvania, Upper Bucks and Western Montana. The following is a special weather